In today's video, we are going to show you how to check if you're eligible for the Cash App's overdraft feature, what it does, and whether you can get it without setting up a direct deposit. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Cash App on your phone or any device, and once you're logged in, tap your profile icon located in the upper right corner, or if you're using the web version or the web browser, it can be found on the bottom left corner. From your profile menu, I want you to scroll down or look for the settings. Look through the available options. If you see an option called Overdraft or Free Overdraft Coverage, tap on it to learn more or enable it if you are already eligible. If you see that option, that means your account is qualified. But of course, if you don't see that option, it simply means your account hasn't qualified for the feature yet. Now, the Cash App's free overdraft coverage lets eligible users make purchases with their Cash App card, even when their Cash App balance isn't enough to cover the transaction. So unlike many traditional banks, Cash App does not charge overdraft fees for this feature. So basically, eligible Cash App card purchases may still be approved even if your balance is too low. For example, Cash App may cover up to $200, although your personal limit depends on your account activity and eligibility. So the next money is added to your Cash App balance, such as payment for direct deposit, Cash App automatically repays the overdraft amount. Now, using this feature does not affect your credit score. Now, the question is, can you get the overdraft without direct deposit? Obviously, yes, it's possible, but you still need to meet the Cash App's eligibility requirements. Okay, so you can qualify by meeting either of these monthly requirements, which is going to be spending $500 or more using Cash App card, or receive at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits, such as paybacks. This means direct deposit is not always required, but of course, if you regularly use Cash App card and spend at least $500 each month, you may become eligible even without direct deposit. Keep in mind that eligibility is determined by Cash App, and simply meeting these requirements does not guarantee approval. And basically, that's it. While there isn't a trick to unlock Cash App overdraft without direct deposit, you may still become eligible by consistently spending at least $500 each month with your Cash App card. And remember that approval is based on Cash App's own eligibility criteria and isn't guaranteed. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.